And not too long ago, kung matatandaan nyo, naglakbay po tayo sa Taiwan and ito po, isa pang pasalubong namin sa inyo. And for Korean telenovela drama lovers, this is heaven. Dahil dito po sinushoot ang dramang On Air. But you know what? Whether you know the program or not, whether you watch it or not, whether you love it or not, it doesn't matter because you're sure gonna fall in love here with Cho Fun Village. There's so many things to do. There's tea houses, there's little shops, and you know, where we can eat here, we can shop here, and where there's shopping and food and eating and dining, you can't go wrong. History for you. Cho Fun is actually Mandarin for 9 portions because in the olden times now, this old gold mining town used to only have 9 households. Can you believe that? So anytime they ordered anything, it had to be within 9 portions. So Cho Fun is actually Mandarin for 9 portions. But that was in the olden days. Ngayon daw, sadly, it's not a gold mining town anymore because in the 1970s, it got to be so hot sa pagmimina po ng ginto dito sa village na ito. And that's why they said it was more practical to just import gold from somewhere else rather than mine it from here. Pero alam niyo po ba na gold mine pa rin itong lugar na to? Gold mine in a way because there's so many products that we can all shop for. Why don't you join me? Let's go! Steps to get from here all the way up there. So I, along with some members of our tour, some participants of the tour, are taking the challenge. Are you game? Let's go.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We started with 5 and still 5 of us still left standing. So congratulations!
Right.
Congratulations. The actual verdict is it's not 360, it's 364. There goes our workout for the rest of the trip. Bye! Especially here at the Cho Fun Village, don't forget to try this. This is different kinds of taro balls. They are known for this, and this is the Taiwanese version of the halo-halo. Delicious. I'll see you next time. Bye. Marami pa po kaming nakita at naranasan sa Taiwan, and in the coming days, we are going to show you that. For now, thank you for joining us today on the show. Ako po si Janelle Song, inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!